Today we've been invited to a Bringenbraai. For you who don't know what it is under the meaning of the Free State, it's a braai without any side dishes. But luckily today the woman is with. My daughter surprised me on Friday, she came through. So she's also here, she's taking the video now. So I marinated 2 steaks, rump steak, with 6 kangaroo marinade. Also white vinegar. And a couple of drops of Worcestershire sauce. I don't know how to pronounce it. So, I'll show you how the meat looks later. Okay, so that is what the steak looks like before it goes onto the braai. And the fire. Busy to braai. And this is the final product. It's tasty. Delicious. Just got some next time. Love you all right.